The VIVOSUN Seedling heat mat combo provides a consistently warm root zone, which noticeably improves germination rates and early growth for seeds and cuttings in cool rooms or greenhouses. Its far infrared heating design spreads heat evenly across the surface, so trays warm uniformly without hot spots that could damage delicate roots. The mat is made from flexible, tough material with a waterproof outer layer, so it stands up well to repeated use, spills, and routine cleaning in a busy grow area. A digital thermostat is included, allowing precise control of the mat temperature and making it easy to dial in the ideal range for different plant varieties or even home brewing projects. Energy use is modest for the heating power it delivers, and the mat rolls up neatly into the included carrying bag, which makes storage and moving between setups straightforward. Because it reaches effective temperatures quickly and works well with humidity domes, this combo creates a stable, warm, and moist microclimate that helps seedlings establish faster and more reliably.